Welcome to the Forex Top Secret, guys. Welcome to the Forex Top Secret. I just want us to look at the 15 minutes chart. I just want us to look at the 15 minutes chart and check how far we can go with our trades. How far we can go with our trades by just looking at the 15-minute chart. Some of you are like, I meant to say, you must look from the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minutes. Then you go to the 15 minutes chart for confirmation. I get all that. But some of you are new traders, some of you are experienced, some of you, you just want to look at the market from a lower time frame because of you realize that you are not patient enough, which is something that I'm lacking as well. I'm not that much patient. I'm just working on it. So some of you might find it beneficial to look at one time frame so then you can check and catch these slower movements of the market. I'm looking at gold today together with you. So I want us to look at the short time frame. I want us to look at 15 minutes time frame specifically. But before we do that, guys, just look at the Forex broker that I'm recommending in the description below. It's one of my favorite. I've been using it for the past 2 years. So just look at it and sign up. There are a lot of benefits, 50% deposit bonus when you deposit, and there are a lot of benefits as well as if you want to trade with XAUUSD, which is the most powerful currency, you can do that. If you want to trade with USD, you can do that. If you want to trade with rands, you can do that. If you want whichever currency you want to trade with, you can be able to create an account with that currency. So then you don't spend too much time in converting. So that makes your money easy. Same day withdrawals and customer service is on point. Like, it's the best I've noticed thus far. It's the best I've noticed thus far. So don't forget also to follow me on my Telegram channel. Don't forget to do that, and I'll leave the link in the description. And don't forget to contact me if you need daily FX system. One of the most important systems I've came across this far. You can check this video. Where I break down daily FX. Now let's get to this video, guys, and look at our favorite time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. Let's go, guys. 15 minutes time frame. First thing that we're going to do in this 15 minutes time frame, we're going to press Control Y. Control Y. We want these lines, guys. We want these lines. I love these lines. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to draw these lines. We're going to draw these lines. We're going to draw these lines. Right? And we're going to draw these lines. Wow. Now what's happening, guys? We're looking at one time frame, 1111. Going to draw these lines. This is one time frame, guys. We're looking at 111 time frame. Now here's what we're going to look at. We're looking at these lines. Now what we're going to do in 15-minute time frame after drawing these lines, these nice lines, we're going to look at the short movements of the market. Now this is the separation of days, guys. This separation of days, if you look at this very closely, you realize that today market opened, today market closed, today market close opened, next day, today market closed, just like that. Now what are you going to do with these lines? Some of you are, I see your lines, but my mentor said, forget your mentor for now. Forget your mentor for now. Let's look at these lines, guys. Let's look at them very closely and what we're going to do with them. Now, I don't know which theory is it. I think it's Elliott wave. Elliott wave, or a theory of that sort, where it talks about the higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, let me draw some kind of here. The higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. What happened is the market came to this area, retest and come back and shoot. Alright, when it shoot, it broke above and then keep on shooting and retest, come and retest this area, which is this area, and shoot. When it shoot, it goes up, came back, retest, and came around this area, shoot, and ultimately come down to make a corrections. And if the market decide to shoot, it's going to shoot and break above this area to shoot. If you can see, the market retest around this area, shoot, come back, retest, shoot, retest, shoot, come back, and retest to this area. It's either changing the direction now, which is shoot, come back and retest, shoot, come back and retest, shoot, come back and retest, and finally change the direction again, shoot, come back and retest, shoot, come back and retest. This is how the market goes in all time frame, but today we're looking at 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, they shoot and come back and retest, shoot, come back and retest, shoot, come back and retest, shoot, just like that. Now what is that you're going to do after drawing these lines? You came to realization that the market only come back and retest, and when it shoot, it doesn't retest, it break above to make a higher high. Like for instance, the market retest a bit here and break to make a higher high, come back, retest, break to make a higher high. Now this line is gonna assist you to be able to notice these higher highs and higher lows, and you're not gonna look at any other time frame except 15 minutes chart. You just wanna look at 15 minutes chart, and you're gonna focus on that. If possible, you're gonna focus on one currency pair or one indices or one Bitcoin basis, whatever. You focus on one thing and you stick to one time frame, and you look for these horizontal parallel lines and one trend line, so then you can catch these higher lows and higher highs. When the market retests, it's not playing. it's gonna shoot, and then it's gonna come back, retest, and it's gonna shoot above these lines. Do I make sense, guys? Do I really make sense? And then one of my favorite Forex teachers of all time is Steve Morrow, when he was talking about sustained run, retest, impulse move. Do you get what I'm saying? Retest, impulse move, retest, impulse move, retest, impulse move. Now it's how many? 1, 2, 3. Now what we can deduce here is this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, and we are on the top. We can make the retest, impulse move, retest, impulse move, retest, impulse move for the last time, which will complete the whole circle. Do you get what I'm saying? But I'm going to make a 1-hour video when I will be breaking down the Steve Morrow Beat the Market Maker, and I'm going to break it down to your level of understanding in 1 hour. The video, I'm going to make it, and I hope you guys check it out, where I break each and every aspect of that. So that will be another video that I'll teach you the levels, the ADR of Beat the Market Maker, and how the market really run, and the stop hunt, and all of those stuff. I'm going to make a long video talking about that. So this is it, guys. These horizontal lines and one vertical. This is horizontal line and one trend line will make you so much money, because you'll be looking at the retest and impulse move, retest and impulse move, just like that. Now let's close the video for today, but before we close it, we can say the market might make an impulse move which will break this higher high to the next high, or the market might complete this impulse to this level and make a retest, make impulse, make a retest, make an impulse to the downside. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell, don't forget to like, don't forget to tell me if you find this video very fruitful. Thank you, guys. Forex Top Secrets, your mentor, signing out. Signing out.